Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on my Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to make easy homemade soft pretzels. In this video you're gonna see how to bake a pretzel and how to fry a pretzel. These baked pretzels are very soft and chewy in texture, whereas these fried pretzels are very crisp and soft in texture. Let's see how to make the soft fermented dough for the pretzels. Ingredients for the pretzels dough. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon yeast and 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter. See 1 cup of self-raising flour. Let's activate the yeast. To activate the yeast I have taken 1/3 cup of warm water. Mix till all the sugar gets dissolved in warm water. Once the sugar gets completely dissolved in warm water, then we can add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Make sure the water is warm but not too hot. Mix it, cover and keep it aside for few minutes. Now take another mixing bowl, add the sieved flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter and mix well. Add little water only if required to make a soft dough. Now add the activated yeast mixture. Make sure to add the activated yeast in batches. Mix with the flour and make a soft and smooth dough. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes to make a perfect non-sticky pretzels dough. You can add 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter and cover and keep the dough for an hour. For proper fermentation of the pretzels dough, make sure you cover the dough airtight using a cling wrap or some airtight lid. This dough must be kept in a warm place. After an hour of fermentation, you can see the dough is doubled in size and it is a very soft dough. Looking at the dough, you can see it's perfectly fermented. Now let's shape the pretzels from the fermented dough. To make the pretzels, sprinkle the flour and knead the dough again. You can see the smooth non-sticky dough is ready. For the first method, roll the dough and make a log of rectangle shaped dough. Stretch and make it uniform thickness. Once you find it uniform, then you can cut off equal portion using a dough scraper. With an eyeball measurement, you can make out equal portion of the dough. Perfectly cut dough is ready. Now roll the dough. Using a small portion of the dough, you can roll and expand the dough to make a lengthy and swing it to make a 10 to 20 inch rope. The second method is using a small portion of the dough, press and expand the dough. Using the dough rope, make a U shape. That's the first step. The second step is cross the two edges of the rope as shown. The third step is flip and shape the pretzels as shown. Make sure the gap between the ropes of the pretzels are pretty wide. Once these pretzels are baked, there will be increase in their size. So make sure you reshape the pretzels before you bake or fry them. Using a small portion of the dough, make similar pretzels as shown. Here I have approximately 9 to 10 pretzels. Few of them I will be baking and few of them I will be frying. Before baking the pretzels, it needs to be dipped in the soda water. So let's prepare. Add 2/3 cup of water and allow it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Make sure you take a big saucepan to make this soda water. Now dip the pretzels for 10 to 20 seconds. Flip and dip the pretzels on both sides. Once these pretzels are dipped in soda water, strain the excess water and place them on a baking sheet or on a tray. These soda washed pretzels are very slimy in texture. This gives a chewy texture when it is baked. Here you can see the soda washed pretzels are soft and very slimy in texture. Make sure you reshape the pretzels only if required, since after the soda wash, these pretzels turn soft and slimy. They even looked cooked. This is a very important step as well. So egg wash the pretzels to get a golden brown color. Bake the pretzels at 230 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven. After baking, once the pretzels are still hot, make sure you apply some butter on top. Smear the proper butter to get a very glossy and shiny finishing of the pretzels. Smearing the butter on top of the pretzels gives a very glossy and perfect finishing. You can even sprinkle some rock salt on top of these pretzels. Smearing the butter on top of the pretzels not just improve the glossy look but also giving a soft and delicious texture for these pretzels. Homemade glossy soft baked pretzels are ready. Now let's see how to fry the pretzels. To fry the pretzels, we need to preheat the oil to a medium temperature. Then we are going to fry these pretzels till the pretzels turn golden brown. Make sure these pretzels are not fried in very hot oil or it may fry outside but not cooked inside. So the temperature of the oil must be medium hot. Transfer the fried pretzels on a tray and smear some butter only if required. This will just enhance the taste but nothing to do with the texture. Sprinkle some rock salt on top of the fried and baked pretzels as well. This is the perfect homemade soft pretzels. Few things that has to be noted is fermentation of the dough is very important.
Bake the pretzels at 230 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven.
Dip the pretzels and egg wash before baking. Fry the pretzels in a medium hot oil. Try out this homemade soft pretzels and enjoy along with your family and friends. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.